Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today I wanted to show you our listing here in Anderson, South Carolina. Property is located at 1309 Lakewood Lane in Anderson, just a quarter of a mile to the public boat dock for Lake Hartwell. And the property has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. 2 of those bedrooms are on the main level and 1 of them is the master bedroom. 2 full bathrooms on the main level. Upstairs you have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath up there. Granite countertops in the kitchen, granite countertops on the bathroom counters as well, and nice laminate flooring, spacious lot. There's a deck out back as well. Nice property. Let's go inside and check it out, see what you think. Come on in. Well, I hope you enjoyed touring this beautiful home. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, give us a call here at Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, 864-438-5050, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.